How can we use an SIP in a debt fund? Is it safe to do so? And what is the use of a debt fund's SIP? Our Chief Financial Planner, Mr. Ramalingam, will elaborate on this. Ramalingam, over to you.
Why this question arises? Maybe because when we say SIP, predominantly to average out in the market, in the equity funds, market go up and down. So because of that, there is an averaging that is happening. In a debt fund, there is no market volatility. So why one should do an SIP in a debt fund? In a debt fund, it is not necessary for you to do an SIP. You can do lump sum also. When you are investing in an equity fund, we will ask our investors to necessarily do an STP or SIP kind of staggered way of investing is what we will suggest. In debt fund, it is not necessary for you to do SIP. However, you are accumulating some money for your annual expenses. Also, we can't invest all our money in stock market. We should have some minimum fixed income allocation. So from your monthly savings, you are contributing for your fixed income asset allocation. In that case, again, doing debt fund SIP will be helpful for you. Let us say you have a short-term goal. You have like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year kind of goal. Then parking that money in a debt fund is needed. So for that, you can do fixed income fund, debt fund, SIP is what you can do. And you feel that now is not the good time to invest in equity market, or you had a ceiling. I want to invest 70% of money in, and you have reached that 70%. You have more money to invest in equity, but the percentage got reached. So the additional money can be as of now invested in SIP in a debt fund. Later on, once the market is available at an attractive valuation, you can do an STP from that. So these are the reasons why a person can consider debt fund SIP. Because the moment we say SIP, we think only about equity SIP. Debt fund SIP also should be part of your investment program.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.